One of your Module 1 assignments is defining success. I'm going to walk through the requirements and how you would get this assignment completed in case you need any help. For this activity, create your own definition of success. Dictionary.com defines success as the favorable outcome of something attempted. So what does success mean for you? That's what you're thinking about. So what you're going to do for this assignment, the directions are here. You will develop a PowerPoint slide as a representation of success. And for full credit, here are the requirements. You will have a quote that best summarizes your definition of success, and be sure to put the website that you got it from, or you can make up your own quote. Why does this quote represent your personal definition of success? And what is the biggest change you need to make in order to be successful in college? So those will be 3 text boxes that are on the PowerPoint slide. And then you also need 3 images. One should be a personal photo of you. One should be an image from your career or field. And one should be another image that represents success, whether that is somebody cheering, somebody crossing the finish line, something related to your field, maybe another picture of you. You can be as creative as you'd like. So have fun with this. If you are new to PowerPoint, it is similar to Google Slides, but it's different. We are a Microsoft institution, so let me just show you really quickly. I'm going to have to expand this window slightly. But when you are on SharePoint, there is an application launcher in the left, and you can get to Office this way. And when I click on Office, it should take me over to the suite of different apps. So PowerPoint is what we are looking for. Okay? Now, I'm going to show you my work in progress. If you haven't used PowerPoint before, you can always go to Insert to create a text box. And you can just copy and paste. You can, when I create a text box, you can draw that text box. If you're not happy with it, you can take it back out. You can work on how you want this laid out. Be as creative as you want. If I go over here to design ideas, it will, over here on the side, give some good ways that I could have this information laid out. So maybe I prefer to have it this way, or I like this. So you are going to work on getting your, here, I'll put the original back up. You're going to work on getting your 3 text boxes. So again, the quote, why does it represent you, and what's one change you need to make? And then you're going to find 3 images. One is going to be an image of you, one is going to be an image in your career field, and one is going to be an image for success. Once you have completed this assignment the way you like, go up to File, and we're going to do a Save. And I recommend that you have a folder created called ACA115. And within the ACA115 folder, we are going to name this as Defining Success with your last name. That's a good name for it. Save it to your folder. Things are running a little slow here on campus. Okay, and then close it down, and then what you're going to do to submit, you'll go back to PowerPoint, go to this hyperlink here, Defining Success, and you will scroll down and attach your file. If you saved your file in the cloud storage that's provided by Wake Tech, you can click here, but otherwise I saved it in a local file. So you would go find the folder that's called ACA115, and you would attach the file. I've got it open. Once you've attached the file, you can hit submit. You can preview what you've submitted. If you have any questions, reach out.